Here's how to add money to your Revolut account using a regular bank transfer. It's straightforward, just follow each step so you don't miss anything. First, open the Revolut app on your phone and make sure you're logged into your account. On the main screen, tap the option that says Add Money. From there, choose the bank transfer option. You'll now see the bank details Revolut gives you. This usually includes an IBAN, a SWIFT/BIC code, and a reference number. That reference number is important, so don't skip it. It's how Revolut knows the money is for your account. Now, switch over to your regular banking app or online banking platform. Start a new bank transfer and enter the details Revolut gave you. Double-check everything, especially the reference number and currency. If you're using a multi-currency account, make sure to pick the right one so you don't get charged unnecessary conversion fees. Once the transfer is submitted, it usually takes 1 to 3 business days for the money to show up in your Revolut account, depending on your bank.